Hi, it's Brian Flynn and Sarah Dutra with the Brian Flynn Home Selling Team. Thanks for tuning into our video. Today we want to talk about some common home seller mistakes. So you're getting ready to sell your home and you want to make sure of a few simple things. So me and Sarah are going to go over some simple things to help you get top dollar and sell your home fast. Okay, number one, getting your home ready for the buyer's eye. I always say there's the ABCs. There's only really three things that you really need to do, because we're not going to ask you to do heavy home improvement. But the three things is your landscaping. So make sure that's in order. Okay, first impressions, right? Painting the inside of your home. Not necessarily the outside, but if your home hasn't been painted in 10, 15 years on the inside, it looks dull. You need a coat of paint. And third, your flooring. Okay, so hardwood floors, make sure you sand them. You might have to sand them or put a coat of polyurethane over them. And that will really make it pop. So landscaping, paint, and flooring. If you have rugs and they're terrible, rip them up, put in new rugs, or maybe they just need to be shampooed. So that's my recommendation for that. So Sarah, you're going to talk about pricing.
Pricing, very important here. So another common mistake sellers make is they price the home incorrectly or have desire to. As professional realtors and a team that we've been together for a very long time, we've seen it time after time. If you price the home too high, you're not making it accessible to the right buyers. It's kind of like an auction. So we try to price the home at a place where we are going to bring in the most amount of buyers. If we have the most amount of buyers, then we're going to create a bidding war, and that gives us the leverage to drive your home up in price.
Another big mistake people make, you won't even believe I'm going to say this one, but people sign too long of a contract with their listing agent. Okay, believe I'm saying that? I am, okay, because if it's not working and they're not the right people and they're not getting your house sold and you made a mistake, you don't want to be tied into a long-term contract, okay? We don't need more than 3 months to get your home sold. Matter of fact, when you list with me, Brian Flynn, and most of the people in the Brian Flynn team, if you're not happy in 30 days, just tell us. We'd let you out of your contract. If you're not happy, we're not happy. But we're so confident we're going to sell your home fast and for top dollar that isn't even going to happen.
Accessibility to the home. So a lot of times sellers have a schedule and they may have a family, they may have plans, and they can want showings during only specific times to what's convenient for them. And while we want to be respectful of the seller's schedule, it's our experience that the more accessibility we have to your home, the more we're able to focus on getting the right buyers into your home. The first week, second week is the hot spot for when buyers are going to make the strongest offers on your home. If we have free reign during this time, we're going to get as many buyers in as possible, and that gives us, again, the leverage to get the highest and best possible offer on your home. Full weekend of open houses, evening open houses is really going to allow us the chance to get you the best possible offer. So we really recommend that you give us the most accessibility to your home, especially during the first week.
Okay, now just one last point. We're going to be able to give you an idea of how much you're going to net from the sale of your home. But obviously you're going someplace, and unless you're going someplace where you're going to rent, you're going to buy again. So you should be getting pre-approved even before you're selling your home. So you know how much you can afford after you sell your house, because all of a sudden we get an offer, yay, it's accepted. You need to have a pre-approval in hand so you can strike quick and buy your new home. And no better place to go than the Andrew Marquis team at Cross Country Mortgage. They're the best, right, Sarah?
Absolutely. We've been working with them since 2009. We have a strong relationship with them, and we know that they're going to take the best care of you. So again, Brian Flynn team, Sarah Dutra, Brian Flynn.
Call us or text us anytime for a free, no obligation opinion of your home's value.